In this video, you are going to learn how you can put your Instagram in dark mode. The first thing we are going to do is open Instagram and go to our profile. We go to the upper right corner where the three lines appear here. When we are here, we will have different options, but the one that interested us, what we are going to look for where it says search dark. Select dark mode and we find dark. We are going to set to on here, and the dark mode of account will already be activated. And that will be all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share it with your friends if any have any question.